LG just showed a robot that opens your fridge, grabs the milk, puts a croissant in the oven, and folds your laundry. It has 2 full arms with 5 independently moving fingers, and it's called CLOiD. But before you get excited, there's a catch. A big one. CLOiD debuted at CES 2026 as part of LG's Zero Labor Home vision. The idea is a future where no one does household chores. The robot does everything. The demo was impressive. CLOiD walked to the kitchen, opened the fridge, retrieved milk, and placed a croissant into the oven. Then it moved to the bedroom and folded a stack of laundry. The hardware is genuinely advanced. Each arm has 7 degrees of freedom, which matches the range of motion of a human arm. Each hand has 5 independently actuated fingers. That means it can grip a coffee mug, pinch a towel corner, or turn a doorknob. Most humanoid robots don't have hands this capable. The head is basically a mobile AI hub. It has cameras, depth sensors, a display for expressions, and runs generative AI for real-time decision-making. CLOiD connects to LG's ThinQ smart home ecosystem, so it can talk to your washer, your fridge, your oven. It doesn't just do chores, it orchestrates your entire home. Now here's the catch. CLOiD is a concept. There is no price, there is no release date, there is no pre-order page. LG showed a polished demo at CES, but they haven't committed to manufacturing this. It could ship in 2 years, it could ship never. This matters because companies show concept robots at CES all the time. Honda showed Asimo decades ago. It never became a consumer product. The difference with CLOiD is that the underlying technology is closer to viable. The AI models exist. The actuators exist. The question is whether LG will commit the billions needed to mass produce it